If you'd like to see how I transformed this plain clear acrylic face shield mask into this black glittered embellished mask, keep watching this video. Today in this video, I am going to be embellishing this clear face mask. It's like an acrylic plastic material. I did another video, I'll have a link for that. I blinged it out with rhinestones and pearls. It came out so cute. Now I have another mask. My customer liked the other one so much that she wanted another one, but she wants it with glitter. Her favorite color is black. This Paper Mart Black Blue Fine Glitter that I purchased from papermart.com. And I'll be applying the glue with my Podge glue into a little lid, just so I don't get all that glitter inside of my bigger jar. I need a sponge brush, my Podge glue of course, and you'll need some glitter, any color of your choice. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna put any glitter on the parts that go around her ear, just in case, so it doesn't agitate anything. I just think it's best to just only put the glitter on the mask. I like to go section by section, just so it doesn't dry out if I try to spread it too far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just spread it nice and evenly as possible. Just take your time and make sure you cover all the areas that need to be covered. So I'm just gonna start like halfway. Make sure everything is smooth, nice and even. Give a nice shake. Pour a nice hefty amount all over the surface so that I'm not leaving any of the glue exposed. Cover that up just like that. Shake that off. I do like to have an old spare makeup brush just to dust off any excess. Just like that. So just go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. The first layer of glitter. Gonna go ahead and let that dry, and then we'll come back and put the second layer on. Okay, so this is the first layer of glitter dried. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our second layer of glitter. Now continue. Okay, so this is the second layer. This is the second layer of glitter. We'll let that dry and then we'll just go ahead and seal it. Okay, so this is the dried blue black glitter. This is dry. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna seal it. I have a little empty cup here. I'm going to pour a little bit of glue in this cup. Just a little bit, enough. See? Now I'm going to add glitter. I'm gonna add some glitter to the cup just to try to keep as much shine as possible. If you don't seal this, glitter will fall everywhere. And by this being so close to your face, you do not want to have flaking glitter everywhere. That could be pretty painful, getting glitter on your eye. And then just a little pinch of water, just a pinch. Then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and stir that up, and that's gonna be your mixture. If there's any other ways out there, well, I have tried acrylic sprays before. I didn't really care for them. I felt like, ooh, they were so strong. They were so strong and they made my project, what I was working on, so dull. And it took like a ton of sprays. I can try it again a different time just to see if there's a different method of using the acrylic sprays. But so far I've just been working with this. I work with rhinestones far more than I do with glitter. So I'll have to do more research on different ways to seal glitter. But so far this is what kind of works for me. Let me know if you guys have any other ways of doing it. I know somebody said to, when I seal it, just don't put any water in it, and that maybe that would do something. The reason why I put water is because it's very thick. And I think I kind of got that a couple years ago from seeing somebody else seal something that they were doing in the video. Because it was just super thick without water, and you don't put a lot at all. You literally put just a pinch of water, just so it could be able to smooth really good. But I do want to explore different glues. There's so many different products out there. As long as they're not harsh, smelling, and terrible, then, you know, I wouldn't mind trying something else. So just go ahead and watch me smear this on here really good and evenly. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then I'll show you the finished product. I'm really more so into bright colors. Brights and neons and things. But this black is nice. Black is a beautiful color. It's just, I prefer like a pink or a silver. But this, because her favorite color is black. The woman that I'm making this for, she loves black. That's her favorite color. So I was like, oh, I have some black. And I think she's gonna really like this. Okay, so we have that all on there like that. And then what we're gonna do from here, make sure we have everything covered. We're gonna let that dry. Let it dry at least 24 hours. Or if you have it in front of a high blowing fan, that'll be fine too. Okay, here is the finished result of the black blue glitter on the clear face shield face mask. So it doesn't have that extreme sparkle like it did before I sealed the glitter, and the light is very high on it. But once the lighting is turned down, it does have a nice hint of sparkle to it. And this was not fully 100% dry. I had to go ahead and close this video out because I had something else to do. But once it fully dries, it does have more of a sparkle to it. And I just wanted to show you guys the other mask that I did for her. I love this mask. It's so glamorous. It's so pretty. I just adore pearls and rhinestones. It's such a conversation piece, a statement piece, whatever you want to call it. extreme glamour. Okay, now the glitter is also nice, and I just like how you have one just nice and plain, and then one just a party, and the other one is maybe just business, I guess you could say. So I hope you enjoyed this video or received some type of inspiration. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.